So, andito na tayo sa Erawan National Park. So, susundin lang natin yung ating guide.
Let's go to the waterfall.
So, this is the visitor center. So, mukhang magpapalista pa rito bago pumunta sa falls. So, dadaan tayo rito sa information center.
But if you want to walk, she said the street like this is comfortable. If she want to walk, she can walk.
Que son 500 metros de aquí a la entrada. ¿O quieres que te lleve?
Yeah, it's okay. I worry maybe she want to walk.
So, we'll follow our tour guide.
Let us see. I will explain you for a few minutes. Hello. It's a waterfall has 7 levels. It's from the first floor to the last floor. Number 7 is 2 kilometers to upstairs. Yes. It's a depend on you. You can
Okay, naglalakad na tayo papunta sa waterfalls. So, may mga nasasalubong tayo rito na pauwi na. Okay. So, susundan lang natin to. Maglalakad ka ng 100 meters per minute. Lakad pa guys. Na ito. Kaya medyo malamig siya. So hindi kagaya sa Thailand na sa Bangkok very humid. So dito malamig nga naman talaga siya. So it's a nature park. So sa ngayon mag-isa lang tayo rito. Okay. So here. So eto na tayo guys. May mga nasasalubong na tayo. Paakyat dito sa waterfalls. Waterfall. Okay. So, andito na tayo sa level 1. So, may mga life jackets dito for rent. So, compulsory na gumamit ng life jacket. So, yes, nakikita na natin yung mga waterfalls. And by tire yan. So, here, life jacket.
One people 20 baht.
Yeah, but if you are going to swim, you need a life jacket.
You want to win?
No, because I don't have short.
อ๋อลงแค่ขา you no มันถอดยังลงแค่ขาไม่ต้องใส่ก็ได้นะ not you want swim you want swimming
No, because I don't have short. Guys, pag bibili kayo ng pag mag-swimming, kailangan ng life jacket. So it costs 50 baht.
50 baht
50 baht for the life jacket.
20 baht.
Ah.
One people.
20 baht
One people.
life jacket.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. So, akyatin na natin yung waterfall. So, ito yung level 1. This is the level 1. So, we said it's by tire. Okay, so let's go further. Okay, so we are now at level 2. Oh, ito level 2. Okay guys, so ito yung level 2. Okay, so marami ng tao rito sa ngayon. So, let's see here. So, ito na. Ito na yung okay, level 2. Okay guys, nice waterfall. So, yeah. Okay, let's check on level 4. So, ito na tayo. Okay. So, this is now level 4, guys. Okay. Still cool in here. Okay, so it's like 200 meters. Good afternoon. Pahirapan guys. Masyadong matarik. So steep. Okay. So, okay. Okay. Oh, hindi ko kaya. Okay, level 4 pa lang to. So we have the view over here. Okay. So here. Okay, let's go and see the waterfall. Excuse me. Okay, danger, stiff cliff and slippery rocks. For your safety, do not climb. Okay. So guys, this is a fourth level. Okay. Ito na po. Ito na yung fourth level. Okay. Level okay ng Pisu. Okay. So this is the fourth level. Okay. So papunta na tayo sa level 5. So let's see here. Okay, going further. So, parang resting area ito. Okay, so sundan natin sila. So, merong daanan dito na kahoy. Really intended for walking. Para hindi madulas or it will not be slippery for those who will be walking here. But it looks like level 5 is quite far. Well, okay. So I'm now meeting Adriana. Hello Adriana, how far did you go? You reach levels? Level 7. Wow, I'm still here at level 5. This is level 5 still, right? Level? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, okay. I'll go and check. Oh, it's still early, right? It's still early. 3 o'clock. Okay. Okay guys, level 5 pa lang daw to. Okay. So paano kaya natin ito matatapos? Paakyat pa rin. Okay, but as we go along the way, we are meeting a lot of those who were able to climb those last 3 remaining levels. Okay, so I don't know. This is still level 5. So we have some resting area here. But, okay. No fishing. So where are you, level 5? I still cannot find you. Okay, guys. So we hope we can check on level 5. They're still quite far. So let's see here. Okay. Daanan na gawa sa kahoy. So hindi to slippery or hindi madulas akyatin. Kaya nga talaga namang ginastusan nila. So kahit mga bata pwedeng pumunta rito. So even children, older people may actually reach this place. This is now level 5. Okay, so we are now going to level 6 and 7. So parang magkasama ito. Okay. So nakalagay dyan level 6 and 7. So sana mas malapit ito. Okay. Ang matatakot ka maglakad kung mag-isa ka lang. Okay. So sana ito na yung level 6. Okay, parang hindi ito ang level 6. So lakad pa tayo. Okay. So sabi ng kasalubong natin, maganda daw talaga. So kailangan natin tapusin. Okay guys, so we are now here at level 6. Level 6. So here we are. Finally, we are at this. Okay. It looks like beautiful falls. Okay. I don't see anyone right now. I hope I can still check on some other people at level 7. Okay, level 6 guys. So let's see here. Here, Dong Puroksa. So this is supposed to be level 6. Okay. So I don't find any swimmers here. It looks like it's not conducive for anyone to swim in here. Okay. The rock formation is not that good. It's slippery, madulas siya. Pero kahanga-hanga itong napalaking kahoy na to. Okay, it's a massive tree in here guys. Okay, so this is level 6. Okay, so we're gonna stop here and then check on the level 7. So that should be our goal now to finish it. Okay guys, pahinga muna tayo. Pakyat pa lang tayo dito sa level 7 and may mga nasasalubong pa tayo. So tignan natin kasi 250 meters yung layo, pataas pa. Okay, I hope kakayanin pa natin. Hinihingal na tayo. Okay, may nasalubong na parang naglalaro lang. Sana ito na guys. Okay. Mukhang hindi pa. I have to do it kasi andito na po tayo. I have to finish it guys. Ay, sana ito na. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so it's about to be closed. 3:30. Okay. So kailangan na tayong umalis dito. Meron na lang tayo 15 minutes. So ito na po guys. Ang ganda nga naman. Okay. So ito na po. We'll take a selfie here. Okay guys, picture. Okay. So, one last chance. Ito na siya. Okay. So, this is the 7th hole. And, kailangan may pakita natin dito. You are the conqueror. Okay, so finally we made it. Okay guys, pababa na tayo. We were able to make it. At 3:33 kasi magko-close na to. So we reached this by 3:15. So 3:15 lang tayo nakapag-picture and then nakapag-take ng video. Okay? Thank you doon sa military guard na kumuha ng ating picture. Thank you, Kapungka.